Ever tried downloading your own YouTube videos only to find an annoying watermark slapped on them? Frustrating, right? But guess what? You don't need watermark removers or low-quality re-downloads from YouTube Studio. There's a free tool that lets you grab your original high-quality videos. No branding, no hassle. It's called Google Takeout. It lets you download your YouTube videos in full quality, exactly how you uploaded them. That means no watermarks, no compression, all your metadata intact. It's perfect if you need backups. Want to repurpose content for TikTok or switch platforms? Follow these steps. First, go to takeout.google.com. Next, click Deselect All so you don't download everything. Then scroll down and select YouTube and YouTube Music. Customize your export, make sure to keep videos checked. After that, choose the .zip format and your preferred delivery method, whether it's email, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Finally, click Create Export. Google will process your files. Once it's ready, you'll get an email to download your original videos. It's that easy. No more using watermark removing software. Did you know about this trick? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe and go to digitalizelife.com for more content creator hacks and AI tool reviews. I'll see you there.